Hey guys, it's Shakarov. I hope everybody's doing well. I have bad news for you today. Today's the release date of Royale from Panini. I have two boxes here. One just went there, the other is there. However, I am only allowed to open one of those boxes right now. Why? It's because my girlfriend insisted that she could open one, and she's at work until about 10:30 tonight, and it's about 3 now, so that means more than 7 hours of waiting with a sealed box sitting right beside here that I cannot touch, that I cannot open. So I'll call that Battle of the Breaks, because you'll have to choose which of mine or Lunu's break is the best. So that's it. Hey. So we'll go with part one right now. Right before, just received a few nice things in the mail. I received that Team Marks. Nah, crap. I'll do another video for that. Sorry. Royale. Not that many breaks available online yet. So that means I shall be one of the first ones, which is pretty cool. And I'll try to have Lunu open her box live as well afterwards. So checklist: 4 packs, 5 cards per pack. So short and sweet. Let's take those. As you see, 4 packs, empty box. Start with pack number 1. Start up with die cut. I don't have a clue of the odds of this. Well, die cuts seem to be the normal stuff. So you see the base card, Dion Phaneuf, Steven Stamkos. Those are not numbered. We got Royal Pains. I love this. Numbered 14 of 499 of Steve Downey. We got a Rookie Royalty autograph. Numbered 319 of 499. Oh, fuck. Justin Falk. Got a huge decoy and a base of Evgeny Malkin. So, Rookie, Justin Falk. At number 2, yields a base of Eric Johnson for the wrong team. In harm's way of Thomas Vokoun. This one's numbered 279 out of 299. We got a Rookie Royalty, way better one. Very good one, 426 of 499. Sergei Bobrovsky. Pretty good. Hard sign to boot. I like that. Decoy and base of Henrik Sedin and Brendan Sutter. So, one very good rookie. We got a base of Corey Perry. I'm trying to see at the same time if there are numberings. Base of Pavel Datsyuk. Achievements numbered 224 of 499 of Steve Mason. We got a redemption that I'll keep for last. We got a Zach Bogosian base. And the redemption is Rookie Royalty Signatures for numbered 156, Henrik Karlsson. And hopefully the box saver. I have a memorabilia in there that looks like a patchy. Patchy! I like patchy things. We got a Vinny Lecavalier base. Got an Alex Ovechkin base. Got a Joe Pavelski base for the PC. Yay! Got a loyalty of David Legwand, numbered 119 of 250. And holy moly. Alright, so my girlfriend will have a lot of work to catch that. That is a very, 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 very good pull. That's sweet, guys. It's numbered 16 of 25. Unfortunately, not jersey number of any of those guys, but I don't give a damn. Royal Lineage triple patch. Probably that the less talented player in that. Well, I don't know. I can go with talents. Well, the worst patch is of Steven Stamkos. There's a patch of John Tavares. And the patch by Taylor Hall. Look at that, guys. Taylor Hall, 3 colors. John Tavares, 3 colors, very nice. And a single color on the Stamkos with some stitchings. Wow, that's probably the best triple patch I ever pulled. Hall, Tavares, Stamkos. Bam! Boom sauce! Right there. That's it. So tonight, as soon as my girlfriend gets home, I'll have her break that second box right here. She'll have a lot of work to do. I hope she'll beat me. I hope. Because those are my cards, after all. But I doubt it. Maybe signature silhouettes, rookie silhouettes, signatures, blah blah, auto, I don't know. I'm happy. That's very sweet. That's it. So, guys, I'll see you later tonight with the other part 2 of Battle of the Breaks.